I've done over 5,000 presentations, 70 countries. I was Michelle Obama's spokesperson for fitness. That's right. All the military bases in the world, army bases in Germany. I became Drug Enforcement Administration spokesperson to get gangs. Showed them the jump rope, teaching them about mindset. I became the official U.S. Olympic jump rope. I became TRX, and you ever heard of this sport called CrossFit? They appointed me their subject matter expert for the world. That was just the beginning. Because, you know, at the same time I was teaching how to jump and how to be the best version of yourself, the rest of the world was watching in Russia and China. If you don't know anything about China, they have mandated that every child must jump rope to pass from one grade to the next. And my book called Jump Rope Training has been selling over there for the last 10 years. And I guess next month, they're asking me to spend the next X number of years teaching the Chinese about this amazing exercise. But I got work here to do in America. Because you see, I made a commitment to Donnie to be part of Veterans Growing America. You can see the way I see Veterans Growing America as a brand that's going to promote each and every one of you as a brand. And I see Veterans Growing America as being part of Walmart. That's right. I see Walmart bringing on Veterans Growing America, and then Veterans Growing America is going to represent you and your brand. What do you say about that? Pretty good, huh? So that's what's going to happen. And I just want to say that I've been mentoring and coaching small businesses. I've sold about over 5 million jump ropes around the world. I don't do this for money anymore. I do this because it's my passion. And through the jump rope, I can teach you or help you to recognize the greatness within. And all I want to say is that you guys are already superstars. You already know about life. You take the things that you learned from the military and you apply that to your next passion, and you can be anything you want to be. God is great. God is good. Thank you.
So I like how he ended it. As a Marine, you almost said be all you can be, but that's okay. But I'm going to give him an opportunity to show you guys. So Buddy Lee is only 25 years old.
That's right.
But when he puts his jump rope in his hand, he turns 19. You guys are about to see something amazing.
Well, this is not my #1 rope, so I don't know where that is. I'm going to give away about 2 or 3 jump ropes tonight. This is the greatest exercise on the planet. Why? Because it's inexpensive, it's portable. You can do it anywhere, but when you learn how to do this exercise the right way, it can give you the greatest benefits in the least amount of time. This is what the American Heart Association has been promoting for the last 40 years for one of the most efficient ways of improving cardiovascular health. It's promoted all around the world for kids as an ideal brain exercise. It's great for every bone and muscle in your body from head to toe. And there is a right way and there's a wrong way to do it. And when you do it the right way, which is the Buddy Lee way, it becomes low impact, safe, and so much fun. So here's how you do it. You just jump a ½ inch off the ground, you look straight ahead, you coordinate the rope swing with the jump, and you balance on the balls of your feet, you breathe. And you bend your knees, not like this, just a little bend, and now you're going to swing this rope around and jump. And that's jump rope. So that's called the perfect jump. Learning how to load the body, propel in space, and land softly where you minimize the impact. Because exercise should be safe. So master the skill, be patient, and never ever give up. Practice basic bounce. This represents one of the 2 skills you need to learn. Look how high I'm jumping. I got a broken foot. I got a hip that needs to be replaced. I got a hurt shoulder. I got a hurt back. But look at this. A half inch off the ground. So who can't do that? Can we do this?
Yes.
I can't hear you. Can we do this?
Yes.
There's no excuse. That's called the basic bounce. Then the next jump is called running in place. There's only two ways you can get off the ground, with 2 feet or 1 foot, right? Here it goes. Balance, bend, breathe, and bounce. That's the running step. Now look, nice strong core, and jump. Left leg up, and left, right. Everybody, that sounds familiar, doesn't it? Let me out, Don, and just left, right. Ready?
Left, right.
Put some bass in that voice. That's what I'm doing.
Left, right.
A little more. On me, dog.
Left, right.
Okay, let's follow up. Left, right, left, right.
Left, right. Left, right.
And watch. Core tight, knees up, breathing, light on your feet, and make it continuous.
Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left.
When I say left, the life will stretch is that. Lean back, settle down, jump from the waist down. Left, right, left. Okay, those are 2 skills. Now, when you practice, you stay patient, you never give up. What happens? You get what?
Better.
What's that word?
Better.
That's right. So, fitness has to be part of your life. Because movement is life.
Yes.
Okay? When you stop moving, you stop living. Move. See, it's easier for me to sell you a treadmill that costs $3,000 versus a jumper that costs you only $10, $20, $30. This will save your life.
Yes.
Why? Because it's the greatest exercise on the planet. Learn how to use it the right way, and you should be able to jump with speed, power, and finesse. So that was it, speed up. That's with a lot of practice. It's a high intensity exercise. This is where I trained to win 25 national wrestling titles.
Wow.
Learn the greatest exercise on the planet.
If
Yes,
you're
sir.
tall, if you're tall, I'm 6'6", I need a longer rope.
That's right, longer rope. So my ropes right here go from 6'9" on down. You're taller than that, get a longer rope. Size the rope to your height. Here's my height. How you measure the rope? Stand on the center. 1 foot, pull the handles along the side. They should reach your shoulders at least. When you start practicing the skill and get better, what happens? It goes shorter or longer? Shorter. So look where mine is. Here. Now look between the top of my head and the tip of the rope. Look how much space that is. Right? Now watch me close my eyes. Because once you master the skill, you don't need to watch. You don't need to watch. It's a feel. So learn the skill. What's this look like?
Attention.
Look at that posture.
It's not me.
Where the hair should be. Come on, everybody.
Hey.
Okay, where about the tummy?
Tucked in.
How about the arms? Out here or close to the side? Thumbs, where are they? On top. And how do I turn? Just with this thumb and index finger. Watch this. It's none of this kind of jumping like this. No. Watch. One jump, and look. It went around by itself with gravity. Watch that. One jump. So all I have to do is another small turn. It's effortless. And what do I do with the breathing? And I relax my body.
Okay.
See? See, look at my body, it's upright. Posture, good posture. I'm pushing off the balls of my feet. Look how high I'm jumping. And look, even when I go faster, I go backwards.